So, first of all, in order to perform any 3D features, you need to have a finished sketch first. So, seen here, I have a simple square sketch on the front plane, and the sketch can be made on any of these planes, but just for the sake, I made it on the front plane just to be seen easier. So, to perform an extrusion, you're going to come all the way to the left over here and click the Extrude feature. So once you click that, it's going to bring up a menu right here. And right here in blue highlighted, it says Faces and Sketch Regions to Extrude. And I'm going to go click the face of this sketch right here because I want to extrude this. Alright, and it's going to give me a little preview of what it's going to look like. And I can change this value to whatever I want. So let's say I wanted it to be 2.25 inches long. Once I'm finished and I have the value that I want, I'm going to click this green arrow and I will have the finished extrusion. So last we just learned how to extrude a sketch, and now we're going to learn how to rotate a sketch using the rotate feature. So again, you need to have a finished sketch in order to perform any 3D feature. So here again I have another simple square sketch, and so I'm going to come over here to the very top left. Right next to the extrude button is the revolve button. So I'm going to click this and it's going to bring up another menu. Okay, so here's highlighted in blue is the face that, or the sketch that I want to revolve. So I'm going to click this face because I want to revolve this. Alright, so once I click this, I'm going to go over here and select the revolve axis. So this is going to be the axis of which that square revolves around. So I can choose this and have it revolve this way, or this side and have it revolve this way, this side revolve this way, etc. And to make it easier, I'm going to go ahead and choose this right side. And this is the preview of what it's going to look like. So now that I have this, I'm going to press the green check mark and complete my rotation.
Hello, I'll be talking about the next three 3D features on Onshape. And the first one I'll be talking about is the remove loft feature. In order to do a remove loft feature, you're going to need two sketches, one on either side of a shape. So then you click loft, you click remove, and then you click both sides of the shape, and now all the in-between is removed. The next 3D feature I'll be talking about is thicken. Thicken is kind of a shortcut to extrude, because if you were to extrude two sides of an object, it wouldn't work. So instead of doing two extrudes, you can use thicken, and you can click both sides, and you can either choose to do two new pieces, or you can just add on to your current object by selecting the proper merge scope. And to my third 3D feature, I'm going to be talking about the hole. In order to do a hole, you will need to have an object, make a sketch, side of object, and on that sketch you will need to put a point. You can put multiple points, or you can just put 1 point, depends what you're doing. So then you would click the hole feature, select one of the points, and then now you have a hole. You can choose the size of the hole. You can also put various holes at the same time. And with that ability, you can also choose to do a blind hole. So this hole is only 0.25 inches deep. You can also make it a through hole in order to make it all the way through the object. And that is the main basis of these three 3D features.
Hello, we are going to start the next tool. I hope you are ready. So our next tool is the Fillet, not fillet, Fillet. So I click Fillet and just apply it to any member you want it to. So let's take this for example. And Fillet kind of just like rounds it off. And he rounds any like member off. It has this one too. And you can go for any of them. You know, you can go conic, circular, but mostly you just can do circular. And bam, that's what a fillet does. Now, a chamfer is kind of like the brother of fillet. It just kind of cuts it off, just kind of like a cut, not round it off, just cuts it. That's what a fillet does. And our last tool is going to be the shell. And the shell is an extension of the extrusion tool, and that's just gonna hollow out the inside, as you can see. Yep, and that's what a shell does. So I hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for watching the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video, and check out our social medias down in the description. And tune in next week for our next video. Bye, guys. Thank you.